Can Tesla self-drive itself into bullishness? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. All right, what up, Tycoons? Well, we specialize in trading stock options and providing educational stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, you'll see we have Tesla, the weekly chart right here. Now, we have a little bit of Elliott waves right here, and I don't think that people have their Elliott waves kind of drawn out like I have mine, so I just want to kind of point certain things out. So, first of all, Elliott waves, you have 5 waves up on the impulse wave, and then you have 3 waves down normally. So it usually looks something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, and then A, B, C correction down, and then it goes up again. All right, so in my opinion, this would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this would be the A, B, C correction. But this has WXY. Why does it have that? Because there are different types of corrections. Now, this one, in my opinion, looks a lot like a double combo. Okay, so give you an example of what a double combo is. A double combo is when you have, boom, ABC, ABC up, and then ABC down, and then you have the actual the actual Fibonacci retracements right here. So if you can actually see, this looks exactly like a double combo, in my opinion, which we just ended. All right. Now, another thing that you'll see is down here, we have the L, that's for low. All right. So we have support at 160.51 because not only this week, but this week, the week of April 1st and the week of March 11th, which are like 3 weeks apart, both of them actually hit support exactly at 160.51. What is holding it up? Like, why isn't it dropping? We have a lot going on with Iran and Israel. Like, what is going on? We can't see it, but what we're looking at from what we can see is that is possibly a nice support for us to hold. And if we hold that support, we can reach our target right here, which would be 214. Above 214, we actually reach our first, target, which would be 352.30. All right. So our first target would be 214, but our ideal target will be 352.30, which would be wave 1 up from, that correction. All right. So don't know why this would happen. We have war that's, on the verge of happening, but we have the bullish divergence right here forming. Possibly anything can change if we actually break below this support of 160.51. Then we go to a bearish count. But from what we see now, if we go down to the daily, you'll see that everything is pretty much holding around that 160.51 area. Okay, so we broke down, with the A, B, C into wave Y, which would be the end. And that would make sense as to why from here, which would be March 14th, to now, which is 21 bars, meaning 21 days, 21 trading days. That's like a month, okay? That's a month of just going sideways and not dropping. Now, we are still in a major bearish trend on the daily. We would have to get above 184 for us to actually have a chance at bullishness for 214. So I would say above 184 we get to 214. So I would say bullish above 184, bearish below 160.51. All right, that is my opinion on Tesla. If we actually want to go back out and look at the weekly, you'll see how we had the 5 waves up, and then wave Y, WXY down. And then in my opinion, we should have another wave 1 up to around 352.30, which would possibly be over the next couple of months. Okay, that's something that we're watching. But for now, When we go down to the daily, you'll see above 184, bullish to 214. If we do not get above 184, get rejected or something like that, we could possibly fall back down to 160.51. Below 160.51, we are bearish in my opinion. All right. Happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting edge AI technology like AI powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option call outs by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, call outs from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.